y'all doing? Welcome back to Financial Freedom. So, I don't know about you, but I woke up with a huge smile on my face today when I opened up my Webull broker on my phone and I saw that SoFi has already run up over 16% in pre-market. Now, if you're not sure what SoFi is, it's basically a banking company, but it's also so much more than that, and it's really changing the game of finance. If you're interested in learning more about the company, go ahead and watch some of my past videos deep diving into SoFi. Now, we do have a question to ask ourselves if you're looking to trade or invest in SoFi, or if you currently are invested in SoFi. What is going to happen with SoFi now after this massive pre-market run-up, which will probably continue into when market opens? Is SoFi still a buy? Should I sell out of it now? Is SoFi going back to the $5 per share range again? Remember, SoFi is a very volatile stock. So I'm going to answer all those questions for you to the best of my ability. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone on YouTube trying to help you guys become more financially free. If this is content you're interested in, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Let's go ahead and get into quarter four's numbers. Now, if these numbers I'm about to give you don't get you excited about SoFi, then I really don't know what will. So SoFi's GAAP net revenue came in at $615 million, which makes them up 35% year over year. Their GAAP net income was positive $48 million in quarter four. Earnings per share came in at about 2 cents per share. Member growth, so this is a big one, guys. Their member growth has grown 585,000. There are 585,000 new members just in quarter four alone, which is pretty huge. Their total member number is up 44% year over year, which now brings it up to a total of 7.5 million users in SoFi. Now, I showcased this in other videos, but I'll say it again for those of you first watching. SoFi is incredible at advertising and getting their name out there. Every time I watch the semifinals games of the NFL or a regular game, I see them running regular commercials. I get ads for them online to join. I've seen them on the jumbo screens of different sporting events. SoFi is really, really great at getting their name out there and getting people interested in saying, "Oh, okay, what's SoFi? I'm interested in that." Or, "Oh, I can get a loan from SoFi, or I could pay down some of this student debt. Let me look into this." And the cool thing about SoFi, remember, it's not your traditional banking platform. It's something more appealing to the newer generations, but it has such a good backbone to it that anyone that has grown up with traditional banks like a Wells Fargo or Chase and things like that, this is also going to appeal to them as well because they have really great offers to give their members. And, it seems like more people are catching on to that. The name is getting out there to the public. So these are really, really impressive numbers. So as I was saying earlier, that SoFi is a very volatile stock. So 18 analysts offered a 12-month price forecast for SoFi Technologies, and overall, the median came in at $9.25 with a high estimate of $15 per share and a low estimate of $3 per share. The median estimate represents a 21.71% increase from the last trading price of $7.60 per share. Now, obviously, with SoFi up over 16%, it's currently already trading in the median price target. So, what does this mean? Is SoFi ever going to trade at $3 a share again? I don't think so. I don't think anytime soon. I think they would have to report, a disaster quarter over quarter for us to ever see prices that low again. So you could pretty much wash that out according to, what I think, and just looking at the numbers, the growth of this company. We're not heading to $3 per share. Now, could we ever get back to $6.50 a share? Yes, I think we could. I think SoFi is about to have a Palantir style run up almost where this thing is going to absolutely explode and then it's going to cool off. So if you're looking to short term trade this, I would hold on to SoFi a little bit longer. I mean, you're already up at a really nice percentage. No matter what price point you bought in, whether you bought in around $7, which is what I suggested on my previous videos, or if you got in even a little higher at $8 a share, I think there's still a lot of room to go up for this stock. So I would just continue to hold on to that. Now, if you're holding on to this long term, then I think you're looking at an easy double up. It really just depends on what your needs are and how you're interested in trading the stock. So we need to ask ourselves now, where is SoFi going in the future? So you remember, SoFi's financial achievements are particularly noteworthy in the context of their credit services, where customer growth and engagement are critical for sustaining revenue and profitability. The company's ability to attract new members and cross sell products is indicative of its strong market position and brings the appeal of its integrated financial services platform. From a financial perspective, SoFi's net interest income for the fourth quarter was $389.6 million, which is an 87% increase year over year, driven by higher loan balances and net interest margin expansion. The company's net interest margin reached a record of 6.02%, reflecting its ability to capitalize on strong demand for its lending products. SoFi CEO Anthony Noda highlighted the company's growth and operational efficiency, saying, "Continued growth of over 40% in both total numbers and its products, along with improving operating efficiency, reflects the benefits of our broad product suite and unique financial services productivity loop," which is one of their big strategies. This loop basically is to create like an ecosystem of different reasons why you're constantly having to use SoFi and choosing them as for all your financial needs. It's a really brilliant strategy. Again, if you want me to deep dive into that in another video, let me know down below. I kind of have touched on that point in some of my other videos, but I think this vision that the CEO has is just incredible. And I really think uh, SoFi's strong performance in quarter four and the fiscal year 2023, along with its positive outlook for 2024, demonstrates the company's successful execution of its growth strategy and its resilience in a very challenging economic environment. So, long term, I think that SoFi is absolutely a hold. I think that even if you are to buy it now, if you're able to hold this stock 5 years out, it's easily a double up play. If you're looking to make money on this in the short term, again, my advice is always try to get this stock at $7 or lower. I would not personally buy into the stock right now if my goal was to short term trade it and make a quick buck in a couple months or weeks. I don't really see that as being worthwhile, in my opinion. Now, our style over here at Financial Freedom is to invest in stocks long term. It really helps out avoiding big tax penalties on short-term capital gains. So, there's a lot of different reasons. For me, it's just more valuable to hold on to this stock long term, sell it after I've hold for a year longer, so I avoid, the short-term capital gain taxes and everything like that. So it's just going to help keep more of the profits in my wallet, and I also think it's going to be an easy double up play. And in general, investing long term is just a lot less stressful than having to wait or hope that the stock will go up or perform just in one quarter alone. I like to really look and analyze the company year over year. And SoFi is showing all the right signals year over year. They're doing it quarter after quarter after quarter. Um, we're seeing positive numbers even in this tough environment. So to me, again, I think SoFi is a easy hold and sell it once you double up type of play. So whatever you guys decide to do, I hope you made some money today, whether you're in it for the short term or long term. I hope this brought you some insight on how to move forward with your SoFi position. Thank you and have a great rest of your day. If you like this video on SoFi's earning coverage, make sure to follow my channel for more. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will be doing a video on Meta's earnings, Google's earnings, and Amazon. I think Amazon is going to reach all-time highs later this week. I'll go ahead and deep dive into reasons why I think that is, but it was on my top 3 stocks list. So if you're looking for the next big stock to purchase, the next big come up, make sure to follow my other videos for more. It's going to be a lot of good stuff coming up. And then the following week, we have Palantir. All right, I'll see you all in the next video, and you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.